Fifi Ferret's flute. When Fifi Ferret was 5 years old, her father gave her one flute. Fifi Ferret loved her flute. She played for her family. She played in the forest. She played in the fields of flowers. One day Fifi played her flute down by the river. Suddenly, the flute not dropped from Fifi's hands. The flute float far away down the river. Fifi run after it. The flute floated past one big bullfrog who was catching some fly. Follow that flute, Fifi bawl out. The flute float past one fawn who was near some fern. Follow that flute, yelled Fifi and the bullfrog. The flute floated past one fox who did eat some figs. Follow that flute, yelled Fifi, the bullfrog, and the fawn. The flute floated past Flamingo, who was fluffling her feather them. Follow that flute, yelled Fifi, the bullfrog, fawn, and the fox. Fifi, the bullfrog, fawn, fox, and the flamingo run fast, but the flute float faster. Lord have mercy, it's floating towards the falls, Fifi bawl out. Fifi afraid her flute gone forever. All of a sudden, one fish leaped from the water. She grabbed up the flute before it dropped down the falls. Fifi happy, you see, to have her flute back. But Fifi was even happier to have her fabulous friend them.